Welcome back to ICO Evaluations with Crypto Bull, me. Please remember to subscribe here and hit the subscribe button. And today I'll be talking about Function X. It's the next era of the internet. And this is their website, Function X IO, and this is their logo. It sounds like a math equation. I mean, it looks like a math equation, isn't it? Anyway, so I'm Crypto Bull, and like I said, remember to subscribe. If you're gonna write me on Telegram, you can do so, but please mention this um, YouTube video first. So this is brought to you by Pundi X. It's a very successful company, and they made this POS devices, point of sale devices, and they made it. It's very common, especially in South Asia and other countries. Those devices that you use your credit card in, and you purchase some stuff. Now you can use cryptocurrency with those, and because they proved themselves to be successful, it gives me confidence that they can do the blockchain phone successfully, and they already have some designs down. And so, and I just heard that the Pundi X was going to be used. The point of sale devices, post devices by Pundi X was going to be used in Venezuela. It was on the news the other day, like last week, I think, and people in Venezuela will be able to use those post devices made by Pundi X using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, or Pundi X's native token. They'll be able to purchase goods. So this is a great step towards adoption. So people will be able to use those post devices built by Pundi X, and since they're so good at you know having people adopt these devices, I'm pretty sure they will be able to manage these phones. Block on They call it block on block phones, Bob phones, and research on crowds indicated that Bob is a good name and people positively respond to it. So it's a good name. The world's first blockchain phone by Pundi X, and this new phone, you're gonna be able to design your phone. You're gonna be able to mod it, so you own the design, and you're gonna be able to 3D print parts of it. At first, they have mods, so you can do different designs using your own imagination, and you're gonna be able to do 3D printing to print new pieces for it. But the most important aspect of it is you regain control of your data because it's decentralized. You don't need centralized entities to place calls or send SMS and things like that. So Function X is providing us a decentralized phone. There was another company trying to do a decentralized phone, and they collected a lot of money, but they couldn't do it because the phone made was really crappy. But these guys, they made the point of sale devices, so they know how to do hardware, and I'm pretty sure that they will be able to give us a good blockchain phone. So they have the designs down already. This is the phone. You can see from the side, and it says Function S here, and it says Bob here, powered by Function X. It's a good looking phone. And Block on Block, Bob, was formerly codenamed X Phone. You know how they call this Walker thing Ginger first, so they have this code name. They had this phone code name X Phone, and now they call it Bob. It's the world's first blockchain phone. All right, so like I said, uh, this is designed and built on the Function X decentralized protocol. It allows you to take full control over your own data because it's decentralized. You control your own data, and you don't need a centralized entity to do anything. And every order of Bob phones will come in a mod assembly kit for you to create and build your personalized blockchain phone. So you use you use the mod kit just like you use a mod on a video game to create your own kit and use your own phone. All right. So they have some of the features of the block on block or Bob decentralized phone is the first one is easy. It's easy to build, and it's got a self-assembly kit that is easy to build. So the mod assembly kit includes the motherboard, display screen, the camera, audio speaker parts, buttons, and aesthetic accessory enhancements. So you can personalize the look and feel of the phone, right? And what's coming in the future, near future, is that you can 3D print additional phone parts. So that's good. I like it. If you're a creative person like me, you can create different parts of your phone and really customize it. And you get personalized design with do-it-yourself accessories. So you can enhance your Bob by purchasing other parts from the official website, or you have the option to utilize many design submissions received from the Bob mod program to mix and match. So you can use the mod program, or you can purchase some other parts from the website also. But what I like the most about the design is it's got this retro futuristic sci-fi design with some with some buttons and some knobs and things like that you can turn around, and it looks like really what they used to have in 80s and 90s in the sci-fi movies, what they used to show as a future. You know, they couldn't imagine things without knobs, so they had knobs on there, and it's really nostalgic, I would say, and I like it. I like it a lot. So they take this classic retroness design and combine it with the new contemporary future tech to create a new phone. So you have what it looks like a future phone from the 80s and 90s, but it's got the recent tech, the contemporary tech in it. So here are some pictures. This is nice. I like this. And okay, here's another pictures with knobs and things like that. I like knobs that I can turn around. Like imagine increasing the volume with these as opposed to just hitting buttons and things like that on the side. So these are really good sized knobs that you can turn and increase like how bright your phone is, or brightness, or the volume, you know. And this looks like the camera that you can use, so it's great. So this is an overall look of the phone. Like I said, you can change any aspect of it, but there are knobs here, and there are some sliders here, I think, and this looks like it's locking the phone. Maybe you can take out this part, but it's overall it's really looking rugged looking good phone. So you can change the parts, like I said, in here. Coming to technology aspect of it, it's an open source blockchain phone. So it's got an open source hardware design, and the hardware design rendering files, they will make this available so people can download, modify, and 3D print their parts to make their Bob modifications. So it's an open source, which is great. It opens up the way to innovation. It's built on FX blockchain tech, so it's secure and encrypted. So they have an operating system, FX operating system powering Bob, which is interesting. They actually made an operating system, blockchain operating system. It's the first true blockchain phone, and it's secure and decentralized to its core. Decentralization and blockchain is the most secure thing on earth right now. So this is great that I like my phone to be secure. And because you don't need centralized entities, it's peer-to-peer, so it's more secure. Actually, you can trust it more. It gives me real good confidence. And it's an open source operating system, and it's got a dual mode. So if you have, like, if you like your Android apps, and you can use them, the Android app and blockchain altogether, you can switch in between. So it will be an open source operating system. So your privacy matters, right? You own your data. You no longer need a centralized service provider to call, message, browse the internet, or access app services, which is great. The blockchain mode enabled by Pundi X operating system, keeps your data encrypted and secure because it's decentralized. So, and the operating system is backward compatible with Android, and you can switch between blockchain and Android mode on the fly. So you can access your favorite Android apps, which is great also. So if you have any questions, you can email me at this address. And here are some links for the Function X. I strongly suggest that you check out their GitHub page if you're a technical person, and they have their YouTube channel here on the link, and I will have these in the description as well. And here are some links if you wanted to connect to me. All right, and yeah, I don't need this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.